The 10 best credit cards for 2021 for beginners. Planning to get your first credit card, huh? If you're new to credit cards, you might be shocked to learn that you can actually start your credit journey at the age of 18, the minimum age for opening your first card. Most credit cards have one main advantage usually, a low rate, a low fee, or a reward program that makes them ideally suited to certain spending and repayment patterns. You just need to be meticulous to choose the best for you. For today's video, we will provide you the 2021 best credit cards for beginners. But before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new excellent updates only us can provide. You don't need to confuse your first credit card. We're going to break down the basics. Here's the 2021's top 10 best credit cards for beginners like you. Let's get started. Number 10. Discover It. Cashback. Best rotating categories, cashback. If you're a new credit card holder, Discover matches all the cash you receive, dollar for dollar, at the end of your first year. With no annual fees, no international transaction fees, and amnesty for many of the circumstances that cause most banks to increase their rates and fees. Who doesn't want to make 5% cashback on your purchases? This is an ideal non-annual fee card for people who want to give a little thought to their purchases and optimize the 5% spending categories per quarter. Note, you're going to have to activate the bonus categories every quarter, and you're only going to receive 5% of the first $1,500 you spend on those categories. You may also take advantage of the introductory 0% APR on sales and balance transfers for a period of 14 months. Number 9. Discover It. Student Cashback Best Student Credit Card. Still a student but wanted to have a credit card on your own? This amount of reward earning potential is uncommon with a student card. Plus, because of the need to enroll in the bonus category, earning every quarter, and watch it if you hit the spending limit, you'll really need to pay attention to your account, which is a good lesson to learn from. This card provides 5% cashback on top of the $1,500 spent in categories that rotate every quarter, which is a great deal for a student credit card, particularly one without an annual fee. Thanks to Discover's match deal, in a way, you're potentially going to earn 10% instead of 5% on bonus category transactions in your first year as a cardholder. Discover is going to match all the cash you receive at the end of your first year. So, if you run up to $100 in incentives, you're really going to walk away with $200. This offer is hard to beat, particularly for a student credit card, considering it to be one of the best for beginners. Number 8. Costco Anywhere Visa. Card by Citi. Best Gas Rewards Credit Card. With Citi's Costco Anywhere Visa card, you can receive cashback rewards on any purchase you make, wherever you go, perfect for a newbie like you. This card provides solid cashback in some common categories and does not charge an annual fee. The only rate of earnings with a spending cap is gas, $7,000 spent annually. But all over categories have unrestricted earnings at higher earnings. 3% for restaurants and travel, 2% for Costco and Costco.com sales, and 1% for elsewhere. Alright, we're down to top 3 best credit cards for beginner. How are you going to find these credit cards so far? Please let me know what you think about our list. I will answer all the comments and would love to have discussions with you guys, and if you have any better ideas, we can put it in our next video. Keep on watching. I still have top 10 best list of credit cards only for you. Number 7. Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card Best Small Business Card. The categories in which you can receive the highest sums of cashback run the spectrum from fairly normal to very rare, and the spending limit is high enough to make this a realistic card option for many small businesses. Plus, cell phone security is a pleasant added bonus that could save some money on any company. This is the highest sign-up bonus on any Ultimate Rewards winning card, 100,000 bonus points after spending $15,000 on transaction in the first 3 months. This bonus is worth $1,250 when redeemed for travel through the Ultimate Rewards portal. The spending limit in the incentive categories is high at $150,000 so that it can meet the needs of the just started company as well as the already on the move business. Pay your telephone bill on your card and you can receive mobile phone protection for the primary line as well as other phones on your account. Next on the list, Number 6. City Diamond Preferred Card, Best Balance Transfer Offer. This is a strong card if you want to move current debt for a long intro span, a year and a half, over which there is zero interest on it. This card has one of the longest intro 0% of the APR deals we know about. Enjoy 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months, as well as sales for 18 months. Then 14.74% to 24.70% variable. This card keeps membership enjoyable with City Entertainment, which offers cardholders exclusive access to tickets for thousands of activities, including concerts, sporting events, dining experiences, and more. Keep track of your credit with free online access to your FICO ranking. Number 5. Double Cash Card, 18-month BT Offer, Best Flat Rate Cashback. This card benefits you both for making a purchase and paying your credit card bill. What's not to like about a card that rewards financial discipline with a cold hard cashback? This card allows you to use your balance wisely and pay off every month because you earn 1% when you buy and 1% more when you pay for your transactions. Speaking of financial responsibility, if you already have a balance on another card that you're trying to pay off, you might save on interest on this card by adding 0% APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months. Efficiently receiving 2% cashback on a card that does not pay an annual fee is definitely a nice reward rate. Number 4. Chase Freedom Unlimited, Best Tiered Cashback. This non-annual fee card provides as much as 5% cashback on some transactions and not less than 1.5% cashback on all qualifying purchases. What can't be like? Earning at least 1.5% cashback on any purchase is hard to beat. But when you throw in the chance to receive up to 5% cashback on a variety of other purchase categories, well, this card just gets even more amazing. Although this card is being sold as a cashback reward, the cashback technically accumulates as Chase Ultimate Reward Points, a powerful travel reward currency. You can merge the points you receive with this card with the points you earn using one of Chase's other cards, such as Chase Sapphire Preferred Card or Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, and potentially make those points even more valuable. You will take advantage of the introductory 0% APR for 15 months from the purchase of opening the account. Number 3. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, the best general travel rewards. Ultimate Rewards is both versatile and useful, which is why the Sapphire Preferred Card is our top travel card. You have the option to pass Ultimate Rewards a number of airline frequent flyer services and hotel chains, including United Airlines and Hyatt. The Ultimate Reward points on your Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is worth 1.25 cents per point when redeemed via the Chase Travel Portal or when using Pay Yourself Back. But if you are using the travel portal, we will suggest that you consider the higher annual Chase Sapphire Reserve fee instead, so your points would be worth 1.5 cents each in the same situations. Your points are worth 25% more when you redeem them for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, or they are transferable to a number of hotel and airline loyalty programs, which might make them worth even more. This is a stellar sign-up bonus, particularly for a card with a modest annual fee. Number 2. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express, Best for Families. This is the only card we know that provides 6% back up to $6,000 spent annually in a category that almost every family uses on a daily basis, supermarkets. This is one of the highest incentive rates out there for US store transactions, which means it may be a very attractive card for anyone who stops there on a regular basis. For a limited time, you can receive a healthy $300 statement credit bonus deal with a reasonably low spending level of only $3,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. You'll love this card as it rewards purchases from US stores, select US video subscriptions, US gas stations, and transit, all categories that many families find themselves investing at any frequency. Number 1. Discover It Secured, Best card for building credit and low credit scores. This is the rare protected card that gives card holders a chance to win rewards. Perfect for beginners who has trust issues in dealing with their credit cards. Racking up some cash back when you're restoring your credit card is nice choice, but it shouldn't be the primary aim if you're looking at secured credit cards. It should build up your credit score and a good credit history. After 8 months, Discover will automatically start checking your account and decide if you should move on to a non-secured card. This is a special secured card that provides cashback incentives. Earn 2% on the first $1,000 spent per quarter at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on all other transactions. Not only is this a secured credit card providing ongoing rewards, but it also provides a sweet welcome bonus. Another unique aspect of secured credit cards. Alright, these are all the best credit cards I have in our list. Before you can conquer the world of points and miles, you have to take the first step to sign up for your very first credit card. Hope this list will help you choose the right one and the best credit card for you. Before we end this video, please don't forget to hit the like button below and click subscribe for more amazing videos. And if you're a true top 10 enthusiast, stay tuned as the next video is starting.